Hello everyone. The Bank of Japan is widely expected to keep its policy rates unchanged at 1% at this week's meeting. However, the real focus will be on its forward guidance. Markets expect the central bank to maintain a hawkish stance, signaling that although rates may remain unchanged now, further tightening is still likely later this year. So why is the Bank of Japan becoming more hawkish? The primary reason is inflation. Although the corporate service inflation eased to 3.1% in June from 3.4% in May, it remains well above the Bank of Japan's 2% inflation target. Moreover, the latest Tankan survey showed record high corporate inflation expectations, indicating that businesses continue to anticipate higher prices. At the same time, a weak Japanese yen, elevated import costs, and strong global demand for AI-related technologies continue to keep underlying inflationary pressures intact. Despite these factors, the Bank of Japan faces a challenging trade-off. Raising interest rates too quickly could slow Japan's economic recovery, while delaying further hikes risks additional yen weakness and higher imported inflation. As a result, policymakers are expected to keep future decisions data dependent while leaving the door open for additional rate hikes. From the market perspectives, market is currently pricing in another 25 BPS rate hike to 1.25% by the end of 2026, with October or December seen as the most likely timing. Moving on to the technicals. So on the daily moving chart, the USDJPY pair remains in a strong uptrend, trading in an upward sloping linear regression channel. The pair is trading above its 25, 50 and 100-day simple moving averages. As long as the pair holds above 162.30 levels, the broader bias remains bullish, with resistance seen at 164 and 165.50 levels respectively. To conclude, while the Bank of Japan is expected to keep rates unchanged this week, its communication will far more be important than the decision itself. Any signal of earlier policy normalization could strengthen the yen, whereas a cautious tone is likely to keep USDJPY supported in the near term. Thank you and stay tuned for more updates.